Hello everyone! Welcome sa aming live. This is another episode of Together We Rise. Here we share some inspiration and empowerment at kwentuhan tungkol sa aming journey as business owners. My name is Alet. I'm from Canada and kasama ko ang dalawa kong business partners na si Delilah at Mary Ann.
Hello, kumusta kayo tonight? We're so excited kasi pag-usapan natin yung madalas naming ma-receive na questions about our digital business.
Yes, so kung isa ka sa mga curious kung paano ba siya nag-work or gusto mo magkaroon ng extra income or more time freedom, stay with us. Baka ito na yung hinahanap na opportunity mo.
Okay, let's start with the first question. I'm interested, but what exactly is this online business?
Good question. This is a digital business na ginagawa 100% online gamit ang proven system. May complete training, may mentors, at may community na tutulong sa'yo every step of the way.
Yes, ang maganda pa dito, pwede mo itong gawin kahit may full-time job ka. Flexible siya, so perfect kung gusto mo mag-build ng extra income habang may stability ka pa rin sa work mo.
Ang susunod naman na tanong, do I need experience to do this?
Actually, hindi mo kailangan kasi nung nagsimula ako, zero experience ako at hindi rin ako techie. Pero dahil may step-by-step training at may support system, natutunan ko lahat kahit first time ko sa ganitong business.
Tama, and you don't need to be an expert. Ang kailangan lang talaga is willingness to learn and openness to try something new.
Ang susunod naman nating tanong is, do I have to sell products or hold inventory?
Hindi mo kailangan kasi wala kang kailangang ibenta o itagong products sa bahay.
Kasi may automated system na nakaset up, ituturo sa'yo kung paano gagamitin ng tama so you can run your online business kahit busy ka pa or part-time mo lang gawin.
Okay, ang next question is, are there tax benefits to this digital business?
Since this is a legitimate business, possible na may tax advantages. Depende sa sitwasyon mo. Kaya maganda talaga siyang i-consider lalo na if you want to grow it long-term.
Oh, so you treated this as a real business owner. Yung hindi lang siya yung side hustle, but it's something you can actually build and be proud of.
Here's another one we usually get as a question. What is the company name?
Madalas ko rin naririnig yan, pero actually there's more than one company or partnership that we're affiliated with.
Tama. What we do is help others build their online business by getting access to this business platform, a proven system that already is helping thousands of people worldwide.
So instead of working for a company, you'll be building your own business using this platform with full support and mentorship. And last but not the least, what if hindi ako sure kung para sa akin ito?
Okay lang yan kasi walang pressure, kaya nga may webinar tayo na makikita nyo, isasabihin namin kung paano nyo ma-access yung webinar para makita muna kung swak sa'yo, sa lifestyle mo, or sa goals mo.
Kaya watch the webinar at first and then learn about it and then decide. At least informed decision yung magagawa mo.
So there you go. Those are some of the most common questions we get about our digital business.
If you're curious and want to learn more, just comment info below or message any of us and we'll send you the link to the free webinar.
Yes, don't miss this chance to explore something new. And this something could bring you more time, freedom, and purpose this year. Hope we share some values to you and tips on our digital business. Hanggang dito na lang muna, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. God bless everyone.
Bye!
Thank you for watching.